Epsom salt isn't a salt from the ocean. It's actually a mineral that's mined from the earth. I'm Dr. Bessette. Welcome to Dr. Bessette Naturals. It's also known as magnesium sulfate and has been around for centuries as a natural remedy to ease muscle fatigue, soreness, and strain. It does wonders as a muscle relaxant on your body. People have been using Epsom salt for hundreds of years for this, and I think it's one of the most natural and one of the most powerful ways that you can ease muscle stiffness and soreness. Athletes love it. I want to bring your attention to a small report that came out of the University of Birmingham in England a few decades ago. It was done by a scientist, Dr. Rosemary, who asked the simple question, how do Epsom salt baths relieve muscle fatigue and soreness? It must be the magnesium in magnesium sulfate. So she set up a little experiment with 19 healthy volunteers who were simply asked to take a 12-minute Epsom salt bath once a day for 7 days. And she collected blood and urine samples from these volunteers to see what was going on in the bloodstream. Now remember, this was a small report. It wasn't a big peer-reviewed study that was published, but I find her results fascinating. At the end of the 7 days, she found that 16 of the 19 volunteers had elevated blood magnesium levels. That's astounding. That means that what you put in your bath water can actually be absorbed into your bloodstream through the pores of your skin. That's some pretty powerful stuff. That's why it's so important that what you put in your bath water is food grade, natural, and of the highest quality.